Hi kids, welcome to Kids Learning Spot. Today we are going to learn some action words. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first action word is run. Can you say run? Great. Look at the kids running fast. Next, we have jump. Say jump with me. Great job! See how high they can jump. Now, let's learn the swim. Can you say swim? Fantastic! Look at the fish swimming in the water. How about dance? Say dance. Wonderful! Watch the kids dance to the music. Next up is eat. Can you say eat? Yummy! See the animals eating their food. Let's try sleep. Say sleep. Good job! Look at the baby sleeping peacefully. Now, let's learn clap. Can you say clap? Excellent! See everyone clapping their hands. How about read? Say read. Great! Watch the kids reading their favorite books. Next is play. Can you say play? Good! Look at the kids playing with their toys. Finally, let's learn sing. Can you say sing? Beautiful! Listen to the birds singing a lovely song.